Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It has been a long time. I think couple of weeks I haven't posted video. Actually, I was not feeling well these days, so yeah, just recovering from some fever and all stuff. So I thought it will be a good time to record a video and do some analysis on Nifty. As we have seen, Nifty is continuously just climbing up the ladders. So just try to just break it down what exactly it is doing and what is the probability going forward. So as you see, this is the daily chart for Nifty futures chart on TradingView. And if you see the big picture, it looks like this is just all consolidation going on from the high which we made in October 2021. So you see, there has not been any sign of impulse until today. I mean, until this leg, which seems like a new wave is just generating to the upside. In fact, this was also giving the same kind of, uh, you know, same kind of feeling. And once this is started, it also had same feeling that we are just going to head continuously upside because it was correction, and we thought that this will be something which will be just going further upside. But if you see, this was not going to, this did not went somewhere too high. In fact, if you see this on a measurement basis, the equality does not come here as well. In fact, this move was with good momentum, and this move was not with the great momentum. So if you see, it looks like we are just doing a triangle. Triangle means something like that. We are just doing hip hop between some of the support and a resistance line. We are just trading in between them. So in this way, I feel that this is just a congestion which is going on like this, and we may be able to go and make a new high, and possibly then we'll be making a low back. So as you see, this is what I am thinking watching this structure. But this might not be. This is just a fantasy. You can call that. This is not what we trade, but this is a probable path. Sometimes we are just thinking, what is the path of Nifty? What will be the path going ahead? What may emerge going on the charts? So this is what I am thinking, that this is just the congestion which is going on, and after such a big bull market from the COVID lows, I think this is just kind of a flag which is being created here. And you know, next year we are also going into big elections, so there might be a possibility until then we might not see a very good directional movement. Getting my point? Since these things are going into news kind of thing, elections outcomes and all that, until then we might see some ding dong or a congestive movement. So this might be something which I'm thinking a probability of Nifty going ahead. So you see, so how do we go ahead and trade these things? So if you go to 30-minute charts or a lower time frame, if you remember, I was saying that this is something which is just turning up from here. If you haven't seen my previous video, just you can just go into the playlist and watch my analysis videos. Once this high was broken, I was already bullish that this might be something which will be forming a base, and we might go ahead to the upside. After that, this was very very weak correction. If you see, the correction was very very weak, not even 38%. If you consider this, if you consider the retracement of this particular swing, this is not even 38%. And in the current swing, still we have not retraced 38%. 38%, it's just my logic that until the 38% retracement has been made, we cannot say that the subsequent or the previous swing has completed. There can be two scenarios which I follow as per my rules until there is a 38% retracement or a subsequent break of a structure, then only this previous swing is called completed, or break of a structure should be there. So if you see, if you measure this was not given a 38% retracement, and we might be getting ripe for a correction here because things are getting heavier over here. Now, how do we trade this? Now, these are the very recent swings as you see here. This one, and this one. In fact, once it was giving a retracement and it was giving a very good risk to reward, I just had add I added to my existing position which I'm still carrying from the lower side. So you see, I opened somewhere around this 70% area, and my target is 18450. Still I'm holding the position despite this move down. So let's see what we can achieve here. It is already break even. I have already moved my stuff to break. So if you see, if you measure this swing, now it has retraced 38%. That means at least this swing is completed. So if you get the retracement closer to this area, I think there should be buy orders. We should be starting getting accumulated here. It will be somewhere around 85 points of stop loss, and since move is getting lethargic, I won't be targeting up to 61.8. Instead, I will be going to somewhere around top of this area, or maybe at max 127 extension, which will be 18462 on future chart. So this is our trade logic. Whenever you get a dip here and on the lower time frame you see that the momentum is going down, then open a long position in close to this area. The area will be 18223 and 18195, close to this area. Once the price is here and it just turns up, buy somewhere around here. I think that can give a good risk to reward trade for long side. And what will be my trigger for short? I think short is still not on the cards. Let the market do its thing. Let it show that it has just exhausted, broken some structure. Then we'll be probably going for shorts. Until then, this will be the area which you'll be looking for adding long positions. Okay, let's quickly go over these stocks. IDFC, if you had followed my previous videos, we had a buy around 57.35 and it has moved 64.5 in this area, 66 area. You can move the stop loss to this close range, and let's see if we are getting stopped out. Added two more scenarios, two more stocks here. One is XDO Solutions. Buy will be around 1475, keeping the stop loss of 1406, and this is giving a very good consolidation. See, I think now is the time it should be going up, but let's see. We'll be having the stop loss anyways. Sera Sanitary Ware going very strong, all time high. Momentum is good. Buy around 68.21. Put the stop loss of 65.20. So if this is a very good structure, if it forms a base like this and break above this, you'll be getting a very good momentum, very clean momentum. So let's see how well it behaves on the price. Alright guys, I'll be trying to post the videos on daily basis, and unfortunately I was ill these days. So yeah, going forward there will be a new video daily, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe. Please comment your feedbacks, your queries, whatever concerns you have, and I'll be replying back. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.